Yeah, good evening, everyone. In today's session, we are going to talk about a new topic called arrays. Okay, a new topic called arrays. Sir, only introduction part we are going to discuss today. So, what is mean by arrays? Why we need to go for arrays concept? What problems are there in normal technologies? All these things we will explore in today's session. Okay, sir. Generally, introduction to arrays. Generally, sir, why we need to go for arrays? Why we need to go for arrays? Very simple, sir. A variable, sir, can hold a variable can hold only one value or one item at a time. At a time, okay, right? So generally, if you declare any variable, for example, integer x, it can hold only one value or yes. Sir, if you are trying to print the value of x, it is going to print 10. Sir, after a few seconds, if you change it to 999, after this, if you print the value of x, what output we are going to get? Can you please confirm, friends? What output we are going to get? Is it a 10 or 999? Good. Sir, it is going to print 999. So a variable can hold, okay, can hold only one value at a time. This is the biggest issue. Sir, what is the problem with these no issues, right? Means, for example, there may be some situations. So consider in this class around 50 members are there. Sir, I want to store, sir, all 50 student ID numbers. Okay, this is my requirement. Then what we have to do? To store first student, we have to declare integer s1. Sir, if you want to store two students information, integer s1 s2. Sir, three students information means s1 s2 s3. Sir, four students information means like this we have to take. Okay, suppose 50 students means s1 s2 s3 s4 and so on up to s50. Maybe some work, administrative work, but we can type this s1 to s50, no issues at all. But consider I want to store, okay, 500 students or 5,000 or 50,000 or 5 lakh student details. Sir, like this, if you increase, the complexity is going to be increased with respect to user point of view. Sir, why? Anyway, memory location is the same, but declaring such a type of variables separately, sir, will make a confusion. Suppose if you want to calculate something like this, okay, so here just for our understanding purpose, we are taking dot 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 something like that. By mistake, if you misuse any one, okay, or in the place of s3, by mistake, if you type s2, then what will happen? Sir, two times this variable's value got added, or if you miss s3, s3 value is not added. Like this, n number of problems are there. That's why, sir, if you have only few elements, if you want to store a few content, then no problem. One or two variables or three or four variables means no problem. You can go for a concept of variables. So once if the variables are keep on increasing, never recommended to go for variables concept. Sir, to solve this problem, we have an array concept. Sir, an array is a collection or a group of items, a group of items. Okay, items in the sense I can say a group of values. Sir, okay, how these values are organized? Sir, all these values are stored under a common name, under a common name. Sir, we have to store all these values under a common name. Sir, okay, fine. What about the values? Sir, all these items must be of same type. All these items, whatever you are collecting, it should be of same. Okay, and sir, it is accessed or it is represented, sir, by using a powerful concept called index. Anyway, we will talk about this later. Okay, sir, for example, if I have integer a1 a2 a3 a4 a5 a6 a7 a8 a9 Okay, A10 like this. If you have, simply you can replace this with the A of 10. Okay, sir, what about individual elements? A of 1 is represented as A of 0. A of second element is represented as A of 1. Third element is represented of A of 2. Sir, fourth element is represented as A of 3, and so on. A of n minus 1, where n is, okay, where n is, sir, size of the array, where n is size of the array. Sir, here what is the value of n? 10. That means the index values will be from 0 to 9. Okay, so to hold what is a problem with variables, to overcome that problem with variables, we are going for arrays concept. Okay, sir, in almost all the languages we have this array concept is there. Okay, if you take C language, we have array concept. If you take C++, we have arrays concept. If you take Java, we have arrays concept. So you can take any programming language, yes, arrays concept is there. Okay, so I think you got some idea about what is mean by array, how you can able to use these arrays, right? Can you please confirm? Is the introduction is clear for everyone? Right. Sir, why we are learning data structures? While we are learning data structures, what is the need of including this arrays concept? Sir, what is the definition of data structure? Organizing the data. First, we will collect all the data and we will perform some algorithms so that we can organize the data. That's why array is considered as a data structure. Okay, array is considered as data structure. Very, very important point to be noted. Okay, so but of course there are some limitations are there in arrays. That part we will discuss later. At the end we will cover the limitations. Okay, so after completion of this intro, all these things we will go with limitations. Sir, this is nothing but introduction to arrays. Okay, now, the next one, sir, I want to talk about creation of arrays. Okay, but before that, let me talk advantages. So advantages and so disadvantages. Disadvantages of arrays. Sir, what advantages are there? What disadvantages are there? Sir, if you are talking about advantages, so what advantages we have over the variable? Very simple, sir. It collects. It collects. Okay, so it collects a group of items. So the problem with variables is nothing but it is going to hold only one value. To overcome that only we are going for these arrays. So it is going to collect a group of items. Sir, only one name, okay, only one name is sufficient, sir, to represent all the values, Okay, sir, we have index support is there. We have index support is there. Sir, index support is there means what is the meaning? Sir, we have alignment. Okay. Sir, if you take a box like this, okay, sir, if you take a box like this, sir, this box is arranged with some alignment. Okay, like sir, consider this is office systems. Okay, so this is a desk what we have. Okay, like this I have some desks are there arranged in a cubical manner or something like that. Okay, sir, I have desks are there like this. Sir, now every person, sir, first person may work from here, second person may work from here, third person may work from here. Okay, but if you take the same structure with the same place, sir, I have not partitioned, then what will happen? Sir, clumsiness will be there or not? Yes. So this concept is, it is providing support for index based alignment. Okay, index based alignment. Sir, it is not index based. Okay, not index based. If index based is there, you can identify, sir, this is my first desk, second desk, sir, third desk. Can you please keep food here? Can you please select the data from here? Like that you can represent the table numbers or desk numbers, something like this. Okay, sir, like this we are representing, but is it possible to represent here? No. So that is the biggest problem what we have. But luckily our arrays are nothing but index based support will be there. Okay, sir, how that index, all these things we'll discuss later. Next sir, what is the next advantage here we have? Okay, um yeah, that's all I think so. Maximum it is a group of items, only one name is sufficient to represent all the values, and we have in index concept support is there. And one more thing, sir, insertion order is preserved. Okay, insertion order is preserved. Insertion order is preserved means what? Sir, I have stored the elements like sir 10, 20, 30. In the storage also it will be stored in a continuation manner. So some people may heard about arrays are what kind of alignment it is going to have, linear data structure. So what is mean by linear data structure? The memory will be given in a continuation manner. So this is the point for that. Insertion order is preserved. In which order we are adding the elements, we will have in the same order. Next one, sir, duplicate objects or duplicate elements. Can you please tell duplicate items are allowed or not allowed? Yes, very good. Sir, duplicate items are allowed. No, no. Sagar, please cross check. See, wherever index concept is there, there may be a chance of having duplicates also. Okay, so these are the various advantages what we have with respect to arrays. Sir, I want to talk about the disadvantages. Yes, definitely. If you want to gain something, compulsory you have to lose something, right? Okay, sir. In general also, if you want to gain something, compulsory you have to lose something. Okay, yeah, size cannot be increased. Yeah, correct. Okay, sir, now consider disadvantages. Sir, what disadvantages are there? Very simple, sir. The problem with arrays is nothing but, sir, it is fixed in size. It is fixed in size. That means what? Not growable. Not growable. Okay, sir, consider, sir, I have allocated a memory for 10 units. That means, so I want to store how many objects? 10 objects. Sir, is it possible to store 11th object? No, not possible. Because the rooms are allocated only for 10 objects. You can't hold 11th object. That is the problem what we are going to get. Okay, so our arrays are always fixed in size. And sir, it collects only, sir, same type of objects, same type of elements. So we can able to say this property is homogeneous. Okay, sir, it is nothing but homogeneous. Homogeneous elements it is going to hold, not heterogeneous. Okay, and one more problem is there, sir. There is no inbuilt. Okay, there is no inbuilt, sir, data structure, or there is no inbuilt methods. There is inbuilt methods. Sir, I want to perform searching operation, or I want to insert the value, or I want to delete the item. Is there any support from Java point of view? Means no. Sir, these are the main disadvantages what we have. Okay. Yes, yes, correct. It is not a part of collection framework. Good. Okay. So this is nothing but what we have advantages, disadvantages. So in a single point, if I want to demonstrate, the first concept what we have is variable. To overcome the problem with variables, we are moving for arrays. To overcome the problem with arrays, we are moving for collections. So in java, but in C language, what we have? Sir, we have variables are there. To overcome the problems, we are moving for arrays. Sir, to overcome these problems, we are going for ADTs means what? Abstract data type. We have to write our own code. Like if I want to define a stack, you have to define like a structure stack. Have you remembered? These kind of things we will implement in C language. Okay, but luckily in Java, they have defined a collection framework for us. Okay, if you want, just I want to show you that collection framework diagram, sir. Please don't mind and see this diagram. Have you observed? This is nothing but a collection framework. The total collection concept is indexed here. So we have list is there, set is there, Okay, map is there. Okay, and queue is there. Like that, we have different types of different types of entities are there. Okay. Arjun, sir, arrays are introduced in JDK 1.0, right? Then we are not calling as a legacy class. No, it is not a legacy class. See, it is an advantage means we can call it as a legacy class. Okay. For example, if you see wrapper classes are there. Wrapper classes are there. Sir, these are legacy classes. These are legacy classes. Why? Because so auto boxing and auto unboxing came into the picture. Okay, so because of this, no need to convert manually. Automatically it will do. But arrays are standard, language level standard is there. That's why you can't remove arrays concept. Arrays are required everywhere, sir. Okay, we should not use without arrays. You can't run a show. Okay, but we have some problems. Keep it in mind that we have collections. So someone is asking what is a full form of ADT. Sir, it is nothing but abstract data type. Okay, so even in our Java classes, all these things are ADTs on. Okay, sir, these are nothing but what are the advantages what we have and what are the disadvantages what we have with respect to array. I hope you people got some idea with respect to these advantages and disadvantages. Any doubts, friends, up to this? Arjun, yes, all the classes which are introduced in 1.0 are not legacy. See, legacy classes are different, deprecated classes are different. Okay, so some concepts, if you are not getting any support from the latest versions, then we can keep those classes as it is. So if any new support is there, then we can remove that. These are deprecate. Okay, yeah. You can able to see. I think if you people have an idea about, sir, internet centers. Sir, are you seeing any internet centers in your areas nowadays? Please confirm. Yes, not that much. Yes, the reason for that is nothing but these are deprecated. What is the reason? Because of mobile support, because of laptop. So at very beginning days, we can't use that much internet facility in the mobile. But nowadays, we have so many things are there, right? So that's why, sir, these concepts are, I mean, these centers are deprecated, but it is there. Okay, right. Sir, you can please explain struct stack. Sir, we are not using this struct stack here. Leave it because it is related to the C language. Okay. So here struct is used to define our own data structures in C language. Okay. Right. So these are nothing but what are the advantages and the disadvantages of these arrays. Okay. Right. Hope you people got clarity about this. And let me move to the next one. Okay. Let me move to the next concept. Sir, what is the next one is nothing but declaration. A declaration of an array. So especially we are talking with respect to Java, sir. Okay. Sir, declaration of an array. Okay. Sir, as we know, so once if we are using, okay, once if we are using any variable or an array in Java, sir, first we have to declare it. First we have to declare it. Okay, once if you are using any variable or an array in Java, first we have to declare it. Okay, sir, the following are the various declarations, okay, supported by Java. Okay, sir, how to declare an array? So there are different types of arrays are there. So first I will write a syntax. Sir, here first we need to represent a data type followed by array name. Within bracket you have to take empty brackets. So for one dimensional array. So if you take two subscripts, sir, what will happen? It is called as two dimensional arrays. Sir, we can also take three subscripts. Sir, if you take three subscripts, it is called as three dimensional array. Like this, sir, you can take any number of subscripts, no issues at all, but complexity of the program is going to be increased like anything. Sir, this type of array is called as one dimensional array, and this type of array is called as two dimensional array, and this type of array is called as three dimensional array, and this type of array is called as sir, multi-dimensional arrays or n-dimensional arrays. Okay, like this we have. This is nothing but the declaration what we are going to use. Let me take one example. Sir, I want to declare one dimensional array. Sir, integer a. Like this we can take. Or, sir, one more approach is there. First, you can take a subscript and also a we can take. Sir, first we can take data type followed by subscript and then a. All these are valid. But which is recommended? This one is recommended approach. Sir, why? What is the reason? Because array name is separated from data type with respect to dimension. Okay, array name is separated from data type with and subscript, so it is easy to recognize. So we are calling it as, sir, an array with name a which is of type one dimensional integer array. Okay, yes, correct. Readability wise it is good. Okay, this is nothing but what we have. Suppose if you take two dimensional arrays, there are n number of ways are there. Like this you can take, or like this you can take, or like this you can take, or if you want like this also we can take. Okay, or if you want like this also we can take, or if you want like this also we can take. Multiple approaches are there. Okay, similarly for three-dimensional arrays also n number of ways are there. Yes, correct. Okay, so I don't want to prolong. These are nothing but the declarations of an array in Java, sir. Okay, and one important note that we have to remember is, so at the time of, okay, at the time of declaration, at the time of declaration of an array, sir, we should not provide size. Okay, sir, otherwise, so if we provide a size, if you take a size, so then we will get error message. Okay, sir, if you take so for example integer a, sir, this one is valid, this one is valid. Okay, but if you take integer a of 10, sir, this one is nothing but invalid. Sir, but sir, integer a is integer, sir, a like this if you take, it is invalid in C language. Sir, if you take integer a of 10, sir, it is valid in C language. Okay, sir, valid in C language. Sir, it is valid in Java, so it is invalid in Java. Okay, have you observed? So what is the difference here is, sir, only one thing. Sir, remember carefully. Sir, very, very important point. Sir, Java internally Java internally is not providing any support for arrays, sir. Internally, it is not providing any support for arrays. So they have defined, sir, inbuilt, okay, they have defined, sir, inbuilt ADTs. Okay, like this, sir, class, so integer one dimensional array. Like this, they have defined already. Okay, sir, like a class, floating point one dimensional array. Like this, they defined internally. Sir, I will show you one small proof for that so that you can understand well. Listen carefully. Sir, I have test class is there. So I want to declare one array in Java. I want to declare one array in Java. Sir, let me print, okay, let me print, sir, a. What output we are going to get? First, we will run this code. Okay. Sir, have you observed Java C? test.java I'm taking, Java space test. Sir, what output we are getting? Open bracket I, open bracket I. That is nothing but the class name. Okay, that is nothing but the class name what we have. Okay, so this is nothing but what we have here. Observe carefully. Sir, if I am taking two-dimensional array, sir, what will happen? We have to get two subscripts. Have you observed like this? So that means internally it is nothing but something like classes are defined with this name, sir. Classes are defined with this name. Okay, so if you want, we can see in detail in our upcoming classes. As of now, not required. Okay, so just you can treat this example, just you can able to treat this example. The only point is nothing but, sir, Java is going to consider arrays as a predefined ADTs. Okay, not a language level support. Okay, right. Yes, right. Yeah, it will change according to the data type. So if you take floating point, here you will get a float. Okay, if you take a byte, you will get a byte. If you take boolean, you will get a boolean, like that. Yeah, you can practice on your own. So this is nothing but how we can able to declare an array in Java. Only declaration. Sir, array is not yet created, only I declared. Okay, sir, please confirm, is the declaration of an array, is it clear for you people, guys? Right, sir, good. Sir, once if the declaration is completed, what is the next one? So creation of an array. Sir, I want to create an array, which is very, very important. Please listen carefully. Okay, sir, once if declaration got completed, once if declaration got completed, sir, we have to, okay, we have to allocate memory for an array. Okay, sir, because Java arrays are treated as objects. So because Java arrays are, okay, considered as objects. Okay, sir, how to create an object? We can create array object. From now onwards, I will use the word called object. Try to understand. Sir, we can create array object by using new keyword with the following syntax. Okay, with the following syntax, by using new keyword, we can able to create, sir. Sir, what is the syntax here? Sir, very simple. Already, sir, data type followed by array name with brackets you have given, right? Now whatever array name you have given is equal to new, which data type you required, corresponding size you have to take. Sir, example, I want to declare integer a. Sir, now my situation came to assign or to store three values. Then how you can able to take, sir, new integer of three values? Okay, like this we can store. For example, consider, sir, I have, sir, string names are there, string names are there. Sir, names is equal to how many string objects I want to hold? Maybe 10 string objects I want to hold. Okay, sir, I want to create an employee. I want to create an employee E, like this. Sir, during execution, sir, I have maximum 100 employees are there. Okay, like this. Sir, in the first case, what will happen? In the first case, what will happen? Sir, here if you see, the first one is nothing but integer. I created an array. Sir, A is equal to new integer of 3 we have stored. Sir, it is what type of array? One dimensional array, right? Sir, now a memory location will be created. Sir, to hold how many objects? Three objects. This is the first location. This is the second location. and this is the third location. Since it is index based, it will become 0, it will become 1, it will become 2. Sir, this is nothing but one memory location what we have. Okay, this is nothing but sir, one memory location what we have. Sir, what is the name of this memory location? The name of this memory location is nothing but A. Sir, this A is pointing to this particular memory location. Okay, like this we have, sir. This is called as one dimensional array. Okay, right. Sir, forget about the values. Okay, we will talk about that values later. Maybe let us consider some value is existed here. Okay, sir, what about the two-dimensional arrays? Sir, can we take integer a? Sir, a, sir, a is equal to, sir, new integer of 3, 3. Like this, can we take? Yes, happily we can store. Okay, no issues at all. But there is one small problem is there. Please concentrate well. Okay, sir, here I am representing, sir, two-dimensional arrays. How to create a two-dimensional arrays? Just now I have given syntax integer like this, and a is equal to new integer of 3, 3. Sir, majority of the students are going to feel like a memory location will be created. Okay, sir, where, sir, we have like this rows and columns division will be there, and sir, this one is considered as 0th row, and this one will become first row, this one will become second row, and this one will become 0th column, first column, second column. Like this we are going to have. So this is nothing but memory location what we have. And what is the name of this array, sir? A, which is pointing to this one. Okay, this is nothing but the diagrammatic representation for the two-dimensional array. Sir, is it clear for everyone? Please confirm. Clear, right? Yes. Sir, I have a small doubt here. Okay, I have a small doubt here. Sir, is the diagram whatever I have drawn? Can you please confirm? Is it correct? Is it correct? Ayo. Some people are feeling yes, some people are feeling no. Right. Yeah. Sir, the diagram, whatever I have taken, is completely wrong, sir. Sir, why? What is the problem? What is the problem? Okay. Yes, yes, good, good. Vishal, correct. Sir, here just I am going to give note. Sir, multi-dimensional arrays, not only one, not only two, not only two, not only three. Multi-dimensional arrays are not represented in matrix style, sir. Okay, not represented in matrix style. Okay, not represented in matrix style, but sir, it is represented. It is represented by using, yes, some people are telling arrays, array of arrays style. Sir, I will redraw this diagram. Please listen carefully. I request everyone to please listen carefully. Sir, what is the next one? Here we have diagrammatic representation. Sir, first we have a base array is there with how many elements? Three elements. I have a base array is there, sir, with how many elements? Three elements. Okay. Now, sir, this array, how many elements content it is holding? Sir, this is nothing but one sub array what we have. This is another sub array what we have. This is another sub array what we have. Okay. Now, sir, coming to the links, this link is pointing to this particular location. This link is pointing to this location, and this link is pointing to this location. Like this, the arrays are represented, sir. Okay. Sir, now, what about index values? As usual, 0th location, first location, second location. 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 Sir, this one, whatever I have drawn here, this one is nothing but a first base, sir. Okay. Sir, I have a base array is there which contain three references. Sir, first reference is pointing to the first array. Second reference is pointing to the second array. Sir, third reference is pointing to the third array. Like this we have. Okay. So in this style, the elements are stored. In this first row represent this one. Sir, second row represent this one. Sir, third row represent this one. Like this only. But the entire control will be under this one. Okay. Sir, like here A is pointing to this one, right? Here also, sir, A is pointing to this one. But if you want this, so we have to go with 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. Like this we have to use. But in the accessing of array, I will explain this. But here only point that you have to observe here is, so two-dimensional, three-dimensional, multi-dimensional arrays are not represented in the form of matrix style like C and C++. So it is going to follow array of arrays. First base array will be there. From that different arrays will be there. Okay. Sir, I hope you people got very clear clarity about, sir. Right? Yeah, we can see just for reference purpose, I am taking it as a multi-dimension. Okay. So it is a two-dimensional. Two-dimensional array also comes under multi-dimensional array. More than one means multi. Also, base array size cannot be empty. Correct, Vishal. Row is optional. Row is mandatory. Columns are optional. We will discuss that. Don't worry. Yeah, two-dimensional arrays also same. Three-dimensional arrays also same, like that. Okay. Clear up to this? Right, sir. So I think you people got very clear clarity about the creation of arrays. Now, sir, today's last topic, initialization of arrays. Sir, initialization of arrays. Sir, very, very important and very beautiful concept. Sir, in C, okay, in C language, C++ programming, in C and C++ programming, okay. Sir, default value default value concept is not existed. Okay. Sir, once if you create an array, sir, it holds garbage values. That means random values. But in Java, so if an array, once if an array is created, once if an array is created, so if we are not providing any values, sir, it takes default values. It takes default values. Okay. Sir, what are the default values? Sir, for primitive, okay, for primitive data types. For primitive data types, sir, what are the date values? For integers, it will be 0. For floating point, it will be 0.0. For character, empty character. For Boolean, false. Okay. Sir, what about for objects? Can you please confirm? Yes, Swapnil, correct. Good. What is object default value? Good, sir. Very good. Very good. Sir, it is nothing but null. That means no reference is like this we have. For example, sir, if I am creating integer a is equal to new, sorry, integer a, sir, a is equal to new integer of 3. Sir, if you print system.out.println of a of 0, 0th element, what output we will get? 0, sir. Okay. Sir, now if I am taking 1 or 2, sir, what output we will get? Only 0. Okay, remember carefully. Suppose, sir, consider in this place, okay, in this place, sir, I want to replace this integer with something like Boolean. Okay, I'm replacing this integer with Boolean. Sir, now what output we are expecting here, sir? Good. Sir, we are going to get, sir, false, false, and then false. Okay. Sir, now let me take one more example. Sir, in the place of this Boolean, Sir, I want to take string. Sir, string A and new string of 3. Like this I am taking. Can you please tell me what value it is going to hold? Yes, it will take null, it will take null, it will take null. Okay, the default values what it is going to provide support is nothing but null, sir. This is nothing but the concept what we have. Okay, sir, hope everyone got clarity about the creation of arrays, sir. Okay, so array introduction, what is the advantages and the disadvantages of arrays? So how to declare an array, how to create an array, how to perform initialization of an array, all these concepts are clear for you people, I think so, right? Any doubts up to this? Creation is nothing but initialization, instantiation. Yeah, correct, Neeraj. Creation is called as instantiation, correct. Okay, right, sir. So this is nothing but today's session. So rest of the things we will continue tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to talk about single line. Okay, single line. So array creation, single line array creation. Next and after that we will see some index concept. Okay, index concept, and we will see some reading and writing. Okay, reading and writing. Otherwise, just we will see a sample program on array, a sample program on array. We will see. So next we will enter into our actual concept and some exceptions also there in arrays. That part also we will discuss. Okay, sir. As we still planning to have a class in weekend, uh, maybe I will inform tomorrow, sir. Today is Thursday, right? Sorry. Yeah, yeah. So tomorrow I will inform, but as of now, not yet planned, but definitely. And for the time complexity, I'm planning one more session. There I will explain the time complexity. 5 o'clock people, don't worry. I want to plan some workshop on these data structures. Maybe 1 or 2 weeks later, there I will talk about complexities very clearly. So everyone can attend there. Okay. Especially for that. Okay. Poonam. Nagur Babu sir is taking classes on weekend. Which topic sir is covering? Yeah, I know Java, but which topic? Okay, files concept. Okay, right. Good. Yeah, I was streams. Good, 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 good. Yeah. Right, sir. Thank you. I will upload the video within few, sorry, running notes within few minutes. Okay. Right. Thank you.